So we're getting our first snow tonight. Not a lot, but enough that I want to test out the newly rebuilt engine on the John Deere. Let's see if it'll start up for me, which you can probably guess that it will because there's exhaust in the building already, so. As you can tell, the idle is set quite a bit high and the choke is currently pulled. And the reason it's smoking as much as it is because when I rebuilt the engine, I kind of put a bunch of two-stroke oil in the bottom end to get all the parts lubricated as they were going back together. So it's going to smoke a lot for a while. And if I need to adjust the idle down a little, but it seems like it's running pretty well. This is the first time I've tried to run it off of the actual fuel supply since I rebuilt it. So it looks like many more videos of this to come this winter, and it will probably go back to the guy who brought it here for me to fix because it's finally done. So make sure to like and comment and subscribe and stick around for more good videos.